From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel. Tonight, the marriage, once again, of bison and elk. We're going to do something a little bit new here. I don't think I've ever done something like this before. I probably have. This channel is probably, what, 14, 15 years old now. Tonight, we're going to be doing a bison and elk Bratwurst Smashie. I hope I got that right. Bison, elk, Bratwurst Smashie. Yeah, sounds good to me. I just made that up on the fly. So everything began with 3 single flames because I want to get this going. The sun's going down, you know, this time of year. Really hard to record anything out here with the sun taking the angle that it takes during the equinox, but we'll get through it. Stick around. You may remember this thing. This is the, I believe this is called the drip and griddle pan. Perfect for this. We'll let that warm up just for a couple of minutes and we'll be right back. And while we're waiting for the griddle to get warm, or get hot actually, these are elk bratwursts from Good Life Premium Meats, which is a subsidiary of Miller Bison Incorporated, which is the parent company of Good Life Premium Meats and Nebraska Bison. We're going to be using it all today. Buy local, folks. You'll be happy you did. Man, in my haste to get this going, I've been forgetting to hit the record button. Our elk brats are on, far away from the coals. We're just going to warm them up. We took the 4 elk brats, put them over here on the indirect side of the grill, and we're going to warm them up slowly. They're already pre-cooked. All right, let's get on to smashing. Got a mistake, I must admit, here in a moment, but first, Sang stir fry oil. You gotta have it. You gotta have it for everything. And we're just going to pour, it's going to be a liberal amount today for these smash burgers because my smasher, my burger smasher, guess what I forgot to do? I'll admit it, I forgot in my haste this afternoon at the store to pick up some parchment paper. I do not have parchment paper, so a bunch of Sang stir fry oil on my smasher. Did you see that? There. So, we don't want things to stick, right? Let's do some smashing. Hope nothing sticks. All right. Beautiful. And we want to move this over here just a little bit. Like I say, this is going to go pretty darn fast now. So, enjoy the ride. I may have put that a little too close to the edge. That's okay. Boing. Don't worry, it may look like we're off the fire here a little bit, but the drip and griddle, that's what it's called, transfers heat evenly, as does most great appliances. All right, we'll be back in just a moment to flip these bad rabbits over. All right, we're gonna move these guys around, flip them over. They kind of want to stick. I thought I had enough Sangs on there. Doesn't matter. Oh, that looks good. It smells good. It even sounds good. This one can probably stand a little bit more time on that side, but hey, this is just the beginning. All right, we're gonna cover everything up. Give those brats an opportunity to warm up. We'll be back. And as the sun slowly sets in the west, this one could use a little more attention. That is Sang stir fry oil that is pooling over here. Yeah, it's got a little ways to go. I seem to have the hot part of the fire over here, so we can do a little dance. Make a little love. Bison burgers tonight. Oh yeah, bison burgers tonight. Actually, why don't we do this? Put these guys over. get these guys over here. It's a dance. It is a dance. So with these, the closer you can get to the flame, the better. Okay, and speaking of getting close to the flame, these brats, they're starting to warm up a little bit, but I get them closer to the fire too. Put a little bit of a sear on them. That'll be good. Just like that. Play with your food. They tell you not to play with your food. I say play with your food. It'll be better. A few more minutes has gone by. The bison burgers have a nice char. But, you know, of course, they're bison. You don't want to go too far. The brats are getting warm. So, shut up, dog. We're not using buns. These are tortillas, flour tortillas. Just gonna warm them up. I know, you want some of this, don't you? That's what he's saying. I speak dog now. He's saying, give me some of that. Give me some of that now. I'm sorry, that was, give me some of that right now. Gotta count the syllables, you know. Mr. Smokey Goodness Jr. and myself voted yes cheese, no cheese. The unanimous winner is yes cheese. Yes, sir. Gotta have it. Gots to have it. My original plan was to kind of roll these dogs in the bison burgers, but since we were doing quarter-pound bison burgers, and they do tend to shrink a little bit, we're just going to stack everything, you know? It's all going to taste the same. Just a couple of minutes has passed. Cheese should be and is all melty schmelty. So this is the part of our picks mission where I cheat just a little bit. We are going to kind of assemble everything inside. So I probably ought to have 2 plates out here, but I'll make it work. I always do. All right. The assemblage of the sandwiches will commence in 3, 2, 1. To enhance the flavor of these delicious bison elk brat masterpieces, throw some spinach in there. This is baby spinach, I think. No, just fresh spinach. I am a sucker for fresh spinach. Anyway, now, you may notice the tortilla looks a little bit wet. Forgot to put the spinach on, man. My bad, my bad. Easily recoverable, though. Okay, bison burger number 1. Bison burger number 2. Elk brat. Ah, yeah. We are going to top it off with nothing but this stone ground mustard. Because the rooster's gone, man. Here we go. Nice. But how the heck am I supposed to eat this there, Mr. Smokey Goodness Jr. guy?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Let's just let's do like they taught us in elementary school. Pie chart.